Hello again, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. It's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics, and today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. What I'd like to do is show you how to create realistic flames within Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here, we have this match, and what I have done is I created that flame on top, and it looks really, really realistic. And what I want to do is show you the process that you need to follow to create realistic flames within Adobe Photoshop. Okay. What I'm going to do here is come through and get rid of that layer. And as you can see, we have the original image here with an unlit match, unlit candle, let's say. Okay, so what we're going to do is come through and we're going to use our curvature tool. And I'm just going to come through now and create my flame shape. Let's do some up here like so. Okay, now I'm going to add a layer, and with that pen still selected, I'm going to come to Filter, Render, and as you can see, we have the option of Flame. If you now press OK, wonderful. You have options here of different types of flames that you can create, as you can see. But the one I'd like to be using, as you can see, is candlelight. Okay, want to make sure that my quality is at high. And now if we come through and press OK, wonderful. And now what I want to do is come through and just affect the blending mode, and we'll put screen in there also as well. Just going to come through and merge the layers. Shortcut is Command E or Control E on Mac, on Windows, or Command E on Mac. And there you have it, guys. That's how we manually create realistic flames within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis to take a look at some really interesting effects and styles and information for you. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.